So we've spoken about digital solutions in a general sense. Kev, can you be more specific? What one feature is important that a mechanic looks for when they're thinking about getting a digital solution?
So the litmus test should always be, what does it do for my business and how does it help my customer? If it does nothing for your business and it doesn't help your customer, then it's not a solution. Making it easy to plug in to your business is really important. We've all bought a piece of machinery and then realized we don't have a 3-phase on the wall where we need it to be. It's the same in digital solutions world. Being able to plug it into your workshop is really important. So take Navigator Pro for an example. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You don't need to install anything. Not all the solutions in market are as simple, but then sometimes it's worth the effort too. So it's good for you to ask a lot of questions and really flesh out your understanding before you make an investment. But that fundamental question is, how does it assist my business and how does it help my customer?
What about price? How do you work through the price of a product and whether or not you're getting value, or it's too expensive, or conversely, it's cheap and maybe this is not for me because it might not do the job?